Grab your Tumaz Yoga Strap and loop the strap around the arch of your right foot and hold the strap in both hands. Inhale and straighten the knee, pressing the right heel up towards the sky. Walk your hands up the strap until the elbows are fully extended. Exhale, broaden the shoulder blades across your back. Slowly lower the right foot to the right side of your mat. Press the shoulder blades lightly into the earth. Widen the collarbones away from the sternum. Inhale into your right hip. Exhale, guide that right leg to the left side of your mat, keeping your leg fully lengthened. Now remove the strap and loop it around your left arch of your foot. Inhale, straighten your knee, pressing the left heel up towards the sky. Walk your hands up towards the strap until your elbows are fully extended. Broaden your shoulder blades across your back. Inhale into your left hip. Exhale, lower your left leg down to the left side of your mat, keeping your leg lengthened. Inhale into your upper chest. Exhale, keeping your left leg lengthened, lower your leg to the right side of your mat. And feel for that stretch in your left glutes and hamstring. Lengthen your leg towards the sky and remove your Tumaz Yoga Strap and set it off to the side. Now inhale into your upper chest. Exhale, engage your core and sit up nice and tall on your mat, grounding your sit bones into the earth. Now grab your Tumaz Yoga Strap. Wrap your strap around the bottom of both of your feet. Draw your awareness inward and focus on your breath. Allow your inhalations and exhalations to be smooth, calm, and even. Keeping your spine straight, lean back slightly and lift your feet, bringing your shins parallel to the floor. Draw in your low back, lift your chest, and lengthen the front of your torso. Then extend your arms forward in line with your shoulders, with your palms facing each other. Keep your breath easy, steady, and smooth. Focus your awareness within, soften your eyes and your face, and gaze at your toes. Lower your feet down to the earth, remove your strap, and bring yourself into tabletop posture. Place your palms under your shoulders, knees under hips, raise your right leg and pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch legs. Raise your left leg to the back of your mat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Shift your hips up towards the sky. Broaden your shoulders. Allow your head to hang heavy. Inhale into your upper back. Exhale, raise your right leg towards the sky. Then shift your right knee to the top of your mat for pigeon pose. Extend your left leg to the back of your mat. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, place your left elbow on your right knee for twisting pigeon and twist towards the right side of your mat. Inhale, telescope your ribs. Exhale, ground the top of your left foot into your mat. Now place both palms back onto your mat. Tuck your toes and shift yourself back into downward facing dog. Now shift your left knee towards the top of your mat. Extend your right leg to the back of your mat. Inhale, telescope your ribs. Exhale, place your right elbow on your left knee, twisting towards the left side of your mat, grounding that right foot into the earth. Now place both palms back down onto your mat, tuck your toes, and shift yourself back into downward facing dog, lifting your hips up towards the sky. Now come into a seated position for gomukhasana. Bend both knees, stack your right knee on top your left knee. Eagle arms, place your right arm over your left. Inhale into your upper chest and back. Lift your elbows up towards the sky. Ground your sit bones into the earth. Feel for creating space in your upper back and chest. Now switch legs. Stack your left knee on top your right knee. Ground your sit bones into the earth. Inhale into your upper chest. Wrap your right arm around your left. Exhale, pull your belly in. Lift your elbows and feel for creating space in your lungs. Now bring yourself into tabletop, then shift yourself into a nice high plank. Line your pelvis up with your spine. Chaturanga, shift forward, lower your chest and abdomens down to the earth. Exhale, upward facing dog. Bring your chest towards the sky. Ground the top of your feet into your mat. Now tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Step or lightly hop to the top of the mat. For forward fold, inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, hands to prayer, namaste. Now turn to the side of your mat, spread your feet nice and wide. Inhale, telescope your ribs. Exhale, wide leg forward fold. And feel for creating length in the back of your legs. Inhale, slowly rise. Exhale, bend your knees, bringing yourself into goddess pose, lowering your hips down to the earth. Bring your elbows out to the side. Inhale into your upper chest. Wrap your right arm around your left for eagle arms. Then switch to the other side. Straighten your legs. Relax your arms. Let's do this again. Bend your knees, place your palms onto your knees, then twist your right shoulder towards the earth. Exhale, twist your left shoulder towards the earth. Hands back down into a prayer namaste. Heel toe your feet together. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, downward facing dog. Shift your feet back. Feel for creating length in your spine. Now lower yourself onto your knees and shift yourself onto your back on your mat. Bring both knees to your chest. Give yourself a good tight hug. Now lengthen your legs and feet towards the sky. Lift your hips up off the earth for Halasana. Bring your feet to the top of your mat, past your head. Feel for creating length in your whole spine. Play around with this pose. Have some fun. Extend one leg, then shift to the other leg. Relax your jaw. Keep your chin parallel to your chest, then slowly lower yourself all the way down to the earth. Now lower the soles of your feet down to your mat, bend your knees, then windshield wipe your knees to the right side of your mat. Keeping your knees stacked. Exhale, shift to the other side. Inhale into your lower back. Exhale, bring your legs back to center for our final posture of shavasana. Now give yourself permission to completely let go. And remember to have fun in life. Creativity is intelligence having fun. There's no need to worry about anything. Just live your life and do your thing. Namaste, my friends.